Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to talk about some adjustments that are available on the WM series of loading ramps. Today with me, I have a WM Light series non-swivel loading ramp, but the process would be the same with the Light Plus series swivel as well. So as you can see, we have the flap separated. We've raised this up to allow easy access here. And it's very simple to do this adjustment. What we're going to do is ensure that this flap has consistent contact with the vehicle bed. And as you can see here, there's a piece of spring steel, and that's what gives this a little bit of a memory. And so what you're going to do is you're going to grab that flap, brace it, and give it a nice pull. And what you're trying to do is to bend that spring steel and give it that positive pressure so that it touches the vehicle floor and doesn't float and give you a gap that might hang you up with the wheels and whatnot. So again, this might need to be done every couple weeks or months, depending on how often the use is. But this spring steel here does provide a good memory, and you just want to bend it solidly. And if this piece were to break, it's easily riveted back on, and we do have those parts in stock and available as well. We encourage questions. Please give us a call if you'd like to talk through it before you attempt anything yourself. Again, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and thanks for watching.